Hello, today we're doing a bit of a different video. It's a review video and we're going to be having a look at the Q9s control drone. So let's get the main things out of the way first. First of all, it does not have a camera, so if you are looking for a drone so it can take nice videos, nice shots like from far away, then this isn't the drone for you. It's kind of based around the junior or people who are just getting used to drones. This is not like one of those expensive drones with the remote and the screen. It's basically just a junior drone which you can use to get used to, and it's basically just for watching, go up, down, left, right, and it can even do a 360 roll round if you are interested in doing more of that advanced stuff once you get the hang of it. It does have these LED lights on it, so if you are flying it at night you can see where it is. It also adds a nice effect. There are a few like light options. You can do all on, flashing, you can do one on it, just doing rotating around. There are a lot of light options. So if that is something you're interested in, the look of the drone, like if it's fancy, these LED lights are quite nice to go with it. Now, one thing I just do want to get out of the way is one little problem with this drone, and the main problem is it's controlled by the wind quite a lot. When you're on a field flying it and there's even just a little breeze, the drone will fly in that direction to where the wind is blowing. So what I tend to do is I have to have it, there is 3 speeds. There is, you can see this button here, speed 1, speed 2 and speed 3. I always have to have it on speed 3 because when it's on speed 1 it doesn't have a force against the wind. So let's have a look at the controls for the drone. So to turn it on, it's as simple as holding down the on button and then holding down the on button on the drone. And the lights on the drone will flash until they are both connected. They'll stop flashing once they are connected. And if they don't connect, just turn the remote off and turn it back on again and they will connect. So what you need to do first, if you need to click this button here, little circle button with the arrows around it. That calibrates it so it knows which is up and down and it will flash. So you know that is calibrating there. So this button here, the main one, is the stop button. I always like to get through this one first. If there is an emergency, it needs to stop immediately. If it's caught in a bush or it's about to go over someone's garden, this is the button that you'd press. And what that basically does is, instead of making it go down
nice and slowly,
if you need it to stop immediately, just click this button and basically the propellers will just turn off. The entire drone will turn off apart from the lights and it'll basically come crashing down. So if it is really high up, it's not really suggested because it can break a bit. It does have these protectors around the propellers, however it can cause a bit of damage if it's quite high. However, if it's low, maybe the height of the first floor of a house, that should be okay. So here we've got this button here. This button is a single takeoff and landing button. So you've calibrated it, it's on the floor, it's ready to go up. You can just click this button here really easily and that'll just go 1 meter off the floor and it should start hovering. When you want it to come down to not an emergency landing, press that button again and it will come down to the floor. So it's not recommended to fly in strong winds because even with little breeze it goes off course. Here's some footage of me actually flying the drone. It's not a relatively windy day, however as you can see it is taking a bit of control and I need to keep my hand on the controller for me to keep it stable and so it doesn't go into one direction. It is a good drone if you are just getting started. Even with the fact that it goes in one direction with the wind, that is good for giving practice and making sure you're in control of the drone. Just make sure it's on the top power speed 3, so click that top button 2 times and that'll go to speed 3. Otherwise it will go off into the wind. Thank you for watching this review video. It's a bit of a different video, however I just wanted to give you my opinion on this drone. If you do want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button, and if you did like the video, click the like button. It really supports the channel. Thank you, see you next time.